Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. From today, I'm going to start a new project series that we have image upload application using MERN and the Firebase. In this application, we will integrate the Firebase in Node.js application to upload the images. In the React application, we will create image upload form where we have inputs like posted by, title of the image and the image. After the form, we will show images. So let's navigate to the UI of our application. First, I will give you the demo of the project. After that, we will start the implementation. So as you can see the page on the top, we have a upload image form with the different inputs like posted by, image title and the file input. Let's fill the form. Image title that we have evening. Upload the image. Now I'm going to click on the submit button to upload the image. As you can see, we got a message that we have image uploaded successfully. Let me scroll down. As you can see, the uploaded image. On the hovering of the image, we are showing here the details like posted by and the image title. Now let me open here the MongoDB. As you can see the document of the newly uploaded image where we have a title posted by and the URL that we have got from the Firebase. We are storing the image in the storage bucket of the Firebase. After that, we have a created ad and the updated ad dates. So these are the features that we will implement. I hope you will learn a lot from this application. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.